Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add funds to your account on Wix. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in wix.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Wix website. Now from the homepage, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and then use your credentials to end up within your dashboard. Now from the dashboard, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on account settings. Now in order to add funds to your account, you will first need to add a payment method. So within the left section, click on payment methods and then click on the add payment method button to add your payment method for your Wix account. Now you can choose your PayPal or directly link your bank account using your credit card. Choose whichever option is suitable for you and you will be asked to enter your further credentials. Just enter your invoice details, including your first and your last name, your address, your city, your postal code, your country, and your phone number. After entering all of these details, click on the Continue to PayPal or the Continue button, and you will be able to finalize your account information. After adding all of your account information and your account information has been verified, you will be able to add funds to your Wix account by simply using your PayPal or your bank credit card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add funds to your account on Wix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.